Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we are rounding up on dividing numbers with two-digit divisor. We've done the one with one-digit divisor and this is with two-digit divisor. And also we will be looking at fraction and decimal operations, that is changing from fraction to decimal or decimal to fractions. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay. My student has joined the class. Let's see. He's not using his video yet. I need to prompt him to use his video and audio. Use video and audio. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, you're
I
welcome.
use a laptop and a computer today.
Okay. So you're welcome to class for today. Did you do your assignment? Did you remember?
Yes, but I think the basics only.
Okay, you did from number
The
one.
assignment was a bit. The assignment was quite hard.
Okay, should I maybe I should explain it to you now, right?
Yeah.
Now, please, I want you to focus. We did division of numbers with one divisor, but now with two-digit divisor. So the first one, I told you there are a series of methods you can use. Let's just say we just want to divide, okay? So I can say 630 divided by 70, which I can cancel the zeros. What do I have left? 63 over 7. How many 7 goes in 63? 7 times what is 63? That is 9. So the answer is 9. Or if I want to use the other method, which is this box method, I'm going to put 630 in the bracket and outside the bracket I'll put 70. 70 cannot divide 63 and 70 cannot divide 6. So it will only divide 630, which is also like the same thing we've done because we've got to get 9. Then you say 9 times 70 is 630. Then when you subtract, you get no remainder. Miggy, you are not there.
Ah,
Okay. Then number 2, 630 divided by 35. 630. This case, I can divide by 5 because this ends with 0 and this ends with 5. So they are divisible by 5. How many 5 goes in 6? That's 1, remainder 1. How many 5 goes in 13? That's 2, remainder 3. How many 5 goes in 30? That's 6, remainder nothing. Then how many 5 in 35? That is 7. Then let's see if 7 will be able to divide whatever remains. How many 7 is in 12? That is 1, remainder 5. How many 7s in 56? That's 8. So 126 divided by 7 is 18. Alternatively, you can choose to use the division box. If you are using the division box, you get your 630 inside, then your 35 outside. Can 35 divide 6, Miggy? No. But can 35 divide 70? Yes. How many? 1. 1 times 35 will give us 35. Then you subtract 13 minus 5 is 8. And this will be 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's 28. Then you bring down the next digit, which is 0, okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
So you bring down 0, that's 280. How many 25 goes into 35 goes in 280? Okay, let's check it. 35 times, plus 35, that is 70. So if we see 35 and 35, that's 70. Then we can see another 2 to give us 140. Then we can see another 4 to give us 280. So there are 8 35s in 280. We'll put 8. So we got the same answer, which is 18. So if we say 8 times 35, it's going to give us 280. Then we subtract with no remainder. Is that clear, Miggy?
Yeah.
Okay. What is going to happen is that, I've solved those ones. Let me solve 2 more. Then I'm going to, reserve these 2 as your classwork after explaining the second concept that we want to look at for today, the second concept we want to look at. So this is going to be a classwork you will attempt later, so you need to concentrate. You can use any method you want, okay? So now let's go to this number 3, which is my 490 divided by 70. What did I say you can do? You can cancel the zeros, right?
Yeah.
So if we cross out the zeros, what do we have? 49 over 7. How many 7 goes in 49? That's 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. Okay? Yeah, make sure you concentrate, please. Then number 4, we have 490 divided by 140. Again, there are zeros to cancel. Cancel the zeros. Then you have 49 over 14, right? Miggy,
Yeah.
what number can divide 49 and 14? That is 7. What is 49 divided by 7? That's 7. What is 14 divided by 7? That's 2. So what will be the answer? 3 whole number 1 over 2. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me share the second screen so that we look into the other concept that we have for today, which is fraction decimal operations. Okay? Is that clear?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You're gonna do this one later and this one. Let's check this. Fraction decimal operation. The first question here, can you see the board? Can you see the board? What did you say?
No.
Changing fraction to decimal.
Fraction.
Changing fraction to what? Miggy? Changing fraction to decimal. So the first fraction we have is 4 over 5. Okay. Can 5 divide 4? That is 0. It's not possible. Then you introduce a kind of 0 here to make 40. To make what? So how many 5 goes in 40? That's 8. Then that's your answer. This is pretty simple. So Miggy, put your mind in it because I'll give you classwork. Number 2, 2 over 3. Now, what do you think? How many 3 goes in 2? It's not possible. Then you got to fix a 0 here in your mind. How many 3 goes in 20? That is 6. So you put 0.6. It will remain 2. Put another 0. How many 3 in 20? That is 6. Then it will never finish because it's going to be recurring, okay? So you can round it up to 667 or 0.67 or 0.67 or even 0.7. Okay? Is that clear, Miggy?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 over 5. We have 2 over 5. Can 5 divide 2? That is no. Then we introduce a 0. Here, that's 20. How many 5 goes in 20? That's 4. It doesn't remain anything. That's your answer. Then number 4, we have 1 over 6. Can 6 divide 1? That's 0. How many 6 in 1? Then you put a 0 here beside it. That's 10. How many 6 goes in 10? It's 1. Remainder 4. Then you put a 0 again. How many 6 goes in 40? That is 6. Remainder 4 again. Then it makes 40. That is 6 again. So it will continue repeating itself. That's going to be, we can terminate it by putting 7. Is that clear, McGee?
Yes.
Okay. Number 5, we have 3 over 100, right? How many 3 goes in, how many 100 goes in 3? Is it possible? No. Then you put a 0 here. How many 100 goes in 30? Not possible. You put another 0. Then how many 100 goes in 300? That's 3. It doesn't remain anything. So this is the answer. Number 6. We have 1 over 3. Can 3 divide 1? That's 0. Then when you fix a 0 here, how many 3 goes in 10, Miggy? That's 3. Remainder 1. Then you fix another 0 here. How many 3 in 10 again? That's 3. Remainder 1 again. So it will never finish. Then you can terminate it at 0.333. Is that clear, Miggy? Number 7. Miggy, can you hear me now? Okay, let me message. Maybe it's not able to hear me again. We'll continue short. Miggy, you're hearing me clearly, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Number 7 says 1 over 8. Can 8 divide 1, Miggy? How many 8 goes in 1? 0. What did I say?
8 goes to 0.
No, 8 goes in 1 is 0. So what's the next step, Miggy? Introduce a 0. How many 8 goes in 10, Miggy?
How many goes to 10?
Yeah, how many 8? How many?
Only.
1 only, correct. So 1. Remainder what? 2, right?
Right.
You put a 0. How many 8 goes in 20? Miggy. How many 8 goes in 20?
How many 8 goes to 20?
Yeah. 8
1.
plus 8 plus 8 is what? 16. So you can only see 2, right?
2. Right.
So if you remove 16, what do you have left? 4. Then you put a 0. How many 8 goes in 40? Now do this one. 40. Miggy. How many 8 goes in 40? Miggy.
Goes
How many 8s?
12.
What did you say?
12.
No. How many 8 goes in 40? That's 5. 8 times 5 is 40, right?
Yeah.
So it's 5. And it doesn't remain anything, so that's your answer. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, number 8 is 4 over 10. Can 10 divide, how many 10 goes in 4? That's 0. Then you put 0 in your mind here. How many 10 goes in 40? That's 4. Okay? Miggy.
Okay.
Then number 9 is 8 over 100. Can 100 go in 8? No way. So how many? You're going to put a 0 somewhere here. So how many 100 goes in 80? It's not still possible. You put another 0. That's 800. How many 100 goes in 800, Miggy? How many 100 goes in 800?
It's
How many 100 goes in 800?
0.0.
No. How many 100 is in 800? That's 8, okay?
Okay.
Mhm. And the final one, number 10, we have 6 over 100. Miggy, do this. What do you think? Can 100, how many 100 in 6? That's not possible. Okay. Then 60. How many 100 in
Okay.
60? Not possible. How many 100 in 600? Excuse me. That's 6. So that's the end of that. Okay.
Okay.
What I'm going to do, you write these ones down. When you finish, you're going to attempt this classwork. Do you understand this one, Miggy?
Yeah.
So that means you'll be able to do the classwork, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So finish this one. You do the classwork. After the correction to the classwork, you're going to write this one down. Then there are other ones for you to attempt, whether as classwork or as homework. In fact, this is something pretty simple. If I do one here, Miggy, what's the first question here?
92.
Can 92 divide, can 100 divide 92? That's 0. You put an imaginary 0 somewhere. 920, how many 100? That's 9. Remainder 20. Put another 0. How many 100 in 200? That's 2. This is simple, okay?
Okay.
What about 29 over 100? 100 cannot go in 29. In 290, 100 is going to be 2. In 900, it's going to be 9, okay?
Okay.
Then number 3, we have 3 over 10. Make sure you're following this because you're going to do the remaining ones for me. 3 over 10, 10 cannot divide 3. You put 0. But 10 can divide 30 3 times. Number 4, we have 1 over 100. 100 cannot divide 1, that's 0. 100 cannot divide 10, that's 0. But 100 can divide 100 one time. Okay? Number 5,
Okay.
we have 73 over 100. 100 cannot go in 73, that's a 0. 100 in 730 is 7. Remainder 30. 100 in 300 is 3. Then number 6, and that's where I'll be, stopping before you copy everything down and do the ones you're going to do. Number 6, we have 34 over 100. 34 divided by 100. 100 cannot go in 34, but can go in 340. That's 3 times. Then remainder 40. So in 400, how many 100 goes in 400, Miggy?
0.3.
No. How many 100 goes in 400? That's 4. So this is going to be 0.34. Anyway, um, let me say you should write this down quickly. Copy this note, okay? Copy the note. All right, viewers. That'll be it for now. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to this channel. Goodbye. To class, we want to proceed with our study today. My student is about joining. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, let's see. He needs to use his video to remind him. Okay, use video and audio. Your homework.
So I didn't do it.
Okay, no problem. We will look at it now. But before we move on, I just want to share a screen where you will have to answer some questions on the screen. Okay, is that clear, Miggy? Now, what is the answer, Miggy?
48.
That's correct. Then the next one. What is the answer? What is the answer, Miggy?
So is divided by 4.
4. That's correct. What is the answer, Miggy? Miggy?
The answer is no. 5. The answer is 5.
5. That's correct. What is the answer? You can do better. You can be faster, Miggy.
4.
Very good. Correct. Next one. Next one. You can do faster. Don't waste time. I know you know it faster. Yes.
5.
5. That's correct. The next one. Quick, Miggy. Quick, Miggy.
7. 4.
4. That's also correct. Check the next one quickly. Miggy, you're not checking.
Um,
Okay, your time's up. It's 9. This one you have 3 seconds. Your time's up. It's 4.
so
This one you have 3 seconds. Your time's up. It's 4. This one you have 3 seconds. Your time's up, Mickey. It's 7.
no.
This one you have 3 seconds. Your time's up.
3.
Okay, good.
Right? I said 3.
Yes, yes, yes. Now this one 3 seconds. Your time is
5. 5.
5. Okay. 3 seconds. Your time is gone. 9. 3 seconds. Your time is gone. 60.
60.
3 seconds. Your time.
5,
Okay. 3 seconds. Your time is okay. 56. 3 seconds. Your time.
35.
Okay. Uh, 3 seconds.
No,
Your time
five,
is
5. Oh, 8, 8, 8.
8. Okay. 3 seconds. Your
8,
time. What did you
8,
say?
8, 8.
8. Correct. 3 seconds. Your time is
8. My
okay.
time is 8.
Okay. All right. So let's go back to the division stuff. Make sure you concentrate on this one. The first one, what do we have there? 630 divided by 90. You can 10, okay? 63 over 9 will give us what? 7. Okay. Number 2, we have 630 over 70. Are you there? Remove 10.
Yes.
63 over 7 will give us what? 9. Is that clear?
Yes.
Number 3, 630 over 45. So we can divide by 9. 9 here, 70. 9 here, 5. Can we also divide by 5? Yeah, 5 here, 1, remainder 2. 5 in 20, that's 4. So the answer is 14 for that one. And the last one there, we have 630 divided by 210. We can divide them by 7. Remove 0, make it concentrate. So if you divide by 7, what do you have? This is 9, and this is 3.
Okay.
And what is 9 divided by 3? The answer is 3. Quickly put down this correction. Put down this solution quickly, okay? Copy this note in 5 minutes.
Okay.
All right, we're going to continue shortly. Not this page. Miggy, do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you see this one?
Yes, I can.
Now, if you want to divide them, number 1 says 44 divided by 100. You're just going to check how many. Since 100 cannot divide 44, please look at the screen. 100 cannot divide 44, then you put 0. Miggy, you're not looking at what I'm showing you. So you now put an imaginary 0. That's 440. That's what?
40.
440. So,
440.
yeah, how many 100 goes in 440, Miggy?
0.
No, no. How many 100 goes in 440?
It was 0.
No, no. Listen. You're not concentrating. Do I need to message your mom? Listen. Focus on the screen. The question is 44 divided by 100. So how many 100 goes in 44? That is 0. What did I say?
0.
No, no, no. I said how many 100 goes in 44? That's what gave me 0. Can you repeat that? How many 100 goes in 44, right? That is 0.
Zero.
So if I put 0 here, that is 440. So how many 100 will go in 440, Miggy? In 440. What did you say?
140. 40.
Yes. How many 100 goes in 440? Is it only one? Is it two? Is it three? Is it 10? Is it how many 100 go in 440? Let's look at it. 100, another 100, another 100, another 140. What is this, Miggy? What is the total of this number, Miggy? Miggy, what's the total of this number?
100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 40 blah blah blah.
What is the total? Find the total before the count of 6. 1, 2. What's the total?
100 plus 100 don't know.
Yes,
It's a blah blah something. 440.
440. So how many 100 is there? Miggy, how many 100 is there? Because you are the one that will do the remaining ones. That's why I'm taking my time for you to understand it. How many 100 is there, Miggy? Let's count.
4.
4. Very good. That's what I've been asking you. So what will it remain? Remainder what? So if you remove the 4, remainder what?
Remainder 40.
Good.
Remainder
Then you're going to put a 0 there. So how many 100 goes in 400? That's 4, okay? So our answer is 0.44. Is that clear? Okay. Number 2. It says 9 over 10. Can 10 divide 9? That is 0. So how many 10 goes in 90, Miggy? You're not responding. How many 10 goes in 90? How many 10 goes?
90.
Yes, how many 10 goes in 90?
0.
No,
1.
no. Miggy, read this question.
10 goes 90.
So what's your answer?
I see only 0.
No. The answer is not on the board. I'm expecting the answer from you. Read the question again.
90. Only 1.
No. Try it again.
Ah,
Read the question. You know, your time is going. We will soon round up and we have a lot to cover. So read the question. Miggy, I'm waiting.
how many go? 10 goes in 90.
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Ah, 0. Ah,
How can you represent 90? 10 plus what? 10 plus what? 10. How many? How many will give us 90? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many tens will give us 90? Miggy, how many tens gives us 90?
2.
What did you say? 9. That's what I've been asking you. So that's why it's 0.9. Okay, I'm going to give you the remaining ones to do as classwork. Write down the examples and do the classwork. Excuse me. This is classwork. So copy the examples, Maggie. Copy the two examples. Maybe I should move this to the top first. This is number 1, and this is number 2 examples. Okay? Copy the example. When you finish, you do the classwork. I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Okay, so okay.
All right. We're going to continue shortly. Give me your answers. What's your answer to the first one?
0.2.
0.2. The next one?
0.7.
0.7. The next one? The next one?
0.9.
0.9. The next one? Next one?
0.5.
Okay. The next one? Make it.
0.3.
Next one? Or the last one?
0.3.
Okay. Now,
Alpha.
3 and 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's look at it together. Number 1 says 2 divided by 10. 10 cannot divide 2 because 0. 10 in 20 is 2. So your answer is correct as 0.2. Then the second one, 74 divided by 100. 100 cannot divide 74 but can divide 740. That's 7 times remainder 4. And can also divide 400. Yeah, because we got to put 0 by the 40. So that is 4. So it's 0.74, not 0.7. Okay?
Okay.
Then number 3, we have 9 divided by 100. Can 100 divide 9? That's 0. If you put 0, that's 90. Can 100 divide 90? That's also 0. You put another 0, that's 900. So 100 in 900 is 9. So it's 0.09, not 0.9. Number 4 says 5 over 10. Can 10 divide 5? That's 0. Then can 10 divide 50? Yes, that's 5. 0.5. Number 5 says what? 3 divided by 100. 100 in 3, that's 0. 100 in 30, that's 0. But 100 in 300 is 3. So this is incorrect. And the last one, number 6. Look at the board, Miggy. You're not looking at the board. So 35 divided by 100. 100 cannot go in 35, but can go in 350. That's 3 times, remainder 50. And can go in 500 5 times. So you got the last one. So 1, 2, 3 and a half over 6. So just take note of that. Write down your correction quickly. Or, okay, I'm just going to send it over and send the remaining part as your homework, okay? Is that clear? So I'll send the remaining part. This homework 3, I'm going to send it over again. So it's just going to be Not homework 3 anymore, but just gonna be homework for today. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye for now. See you tomorrow. All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Goodbye for now.